Commonly used English phrases. Please, please. Can I have some more juice, please? Sorry, sorry. I am sorry, I broke your toy. Can I have? Can I have? Can I have a cookie, please? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me reach that? Let's play. Let's play. Let's play outside after school. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me tie my shoes? I would like to share with you. I would like to share with you. I would like to share my toy with you. These phrases are useful for helping kids to communicate politely and effectively in everyday situations. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.